we are going to be making a plan for YouTube for 2024. We are going to set that up in this video and try to optimize our chances to actually grow on YouTube and try to do something with YouTube. So let's get started. So the first thing that I'm going to be implementing is going to be to actually plan out videos monthly. So each month I am going to think of at least 2 video ideas for each week, and I'm going to schedule that. I actually have a YouTube content planner on my tablet, which is very dirty. I have a digital YouTube content planner that has a monthly calendar, and it has a weekly list, to-do list, and has a lot of different pages that you can use to structure the content for YouTube, your content for YouTube. I created this earlier this year, and I was using it and I was being consistent with it, but then work took over and I stopped being consistent with it. So I am going to try to implement that, and I am going to plan some videos. Ideally, I want to post 2 videos a week. So that's kind of the posting schedule that I want to follow for 2024. 2 weeks of video, 2 videos a week. I also wanted to go a little bit into the content that I'm going to be creating. I know you all know that this is a mostly tech related content channel. So I create mostly videos around the tech industry and working in tech, freelancing in tech, how to break into tech and all of that. And I'm still going to be doing that because that's what I do. I am a freelancer in tech. I work in tech. I'm a freelance web developer, software developer in tech. And I want to help other people. I want to help other people break into tech, especially people that come from, underserved communities, people that come from backgrounds that are not necessarily in tech, or people that just need that help to break into a new job, get a new career. I love doing that, and I'm still going to do that. I'm still going to be helping people out there with my content. So that's the number one type of content that I'm still going to keep on doing, is tech related content. I have had some people comment and ask me for actual coding content, and I want to do that so bad for you all. But one thing that I want you to think about when it comes to that content, and also when it comes to like other people that create that content, is very time consuming. Creating that coding content, you have to like think of the project, you have to do your research, because you don't want to create a coding project or something that is not up to date, that is not relevant anymore, that's not going to work for other people. So it takes a lot of time, one, before you even create the video, film the video, then you have to film the video. Usually that involves like, filming yourself, and then filming the screen recording, and then all of that, and then post-production, you have to edit that. It takes a long time, a lot of hours to create that type of content. So I do want to do that for you all. I do want to create those type of projects. However, I want you all to let me know in the comments below what type of coding content you would like to see, whether that is project specific or maybe concept specific. So if you're learning HTML or CSS or JavaScript or React or whatever it is that you're learning, if you want like specific programming language content related, let me know in the comments below. I'm gonna see what most people want or need, and then I will jot that down. So definitely look at more coding content coming towards you all. It's not going to be every week because, like I just said, it takes a long time, but it is coming for you all. So keep that in mind, and subscribe if you haven't, so you don't miss any of those videos. And the last thing that I wanted to talk about when it comes to like my YouTube plan and YouTube idea for 2024 is that I'm going to be treating my YouTube channel more as a community. So I'm going to be using the community tab more. I have been posting a bit more in the community tab, but I'm going to be posting even more. So if I know of jobs that are for junior developers, or for anyone, if I know of any jobs or any opportunities or freelance opportunities, I will be posting that in my community tab. And I want to be interacting with you all more on there. I'm not sure if you all saw my previous video. I will link it here and down below, where I talked about the fact that I'm not going to be as present on Instagram anymore because I just can't mentally deal with Instagram anymore. So I'm not going to be as present on any social media, whether that's Twitter or Facebook or Instagram or LinkedIn. I'm not going to be like physically replying to comments or physically talking to people anymore, at least not as much as I was previously. I've deleted all social media apps from my phone, so the only way that I access social media is through my laptop or through my tablet, and that is it. Like, and I do that maybe like once a week. I don't really do it much anymore. So if you want to chat with me, if you have any questions, if you have any comments, leave them on my videos or leave them in any of my community posts. I'm really gonna try to be more present on my community tab. So that is another thing. I'm really trying to build my channel and build all of this into a community, into a helpful community. And yeah, those are my plans for YouTube for 2024. Let me know in the comments if there's anything that you've seen on other channels that you would love to see on my channel, or if there's any other content that you would love to see on my channel. Let me know in the comments of this video. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope it was informative, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any content, any links, any helpful tips on my community tab. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of that, and to give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.